So the first thing that's going to happen is after we finalize your shingle color, we're going to get materials ordered. We'll have materials ordered for your roof project to be delivered the day before we're scheduled to start. The morning of the job, we're going to show up between about 7:30 and 8 o'clock in the morning. Once we get started, we're going to do everything we can to 100% protect your home. That includes tarps around the perimeter, that includes plywood against windows, doors, any areas that could potentially be damaged by falling debris. We're going to do everything we can to absolutely protect your home. The next step is the tear-off phase. Okay, once the tear-off phase is going on, unfortunately, there's going to be a little bit of a mess for a period of time. We have somebody on the job site that's specifically dedicated to picking up trash and keeping things as clean as possible, but that being said, it's going to be a little bit of a mess for a little while. In addition to that, we're going to be out there on the job site, so once everything's tore off, we're going to do a full decking inspection. Obviously, we want to make sure that the new roof is going to be supported by a good foundation, meaning good wood. So we're going to do a decking inspection. If anything needs to be done, we're going to be taking photos of it on the job site, texting those photos to you as we go. That way you're getting live play-by-play action. The very next thing that we're going to do is we're going to install the shingles and all the appropriate flashing exactly the way the shingle manufacturer recommends it. The reason being is we don't want to give them any reason to potentially avoid a warranty. That means to you, we're going to use all of the appropriate shingles, accessory products for those shingles, underlayments, ice and water shield membranes, drip edge flashings, you name it. Every single component to your roof is going to be replaced brand new. So that way you have the peace of mind knowing that you're not going to have to worry about this. Okay, once we're done, we're going to do a final cleanup. We'll do a walkthrough with you and I to just make sure that everything's happy. We're going to run magnets around the perimeter of your house to make sure that, again, we're getting every single nail that we possibly can when we're going through this process. We want to leave your home better than it was when we showed up that morning. And then once we're done, the next benefit to you is with our 10-year workmanship warranty. We also come out once a year to correct anything that may happen. Nail heads, that have been caulked, those need to be resealed. So we're going to come out once a year, scheduled at your convenience, to make sure that everything is 100% good to go. We own this roof with you for the first 10 years of our warranty. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.